She'd tell me about Captain Hook and all of his men who followed Peter with a hook replaced as his hand. In those tales, bad guys seldom did win, so the captain was eaten and Wendy had twins. Well, that's the story as I recall, though I may have made up the end. Don't remember much, 3 feet tall, except for when I'd say, Mom, let me go to neverland, let me fly for one day and throw the fairy dust in my hair, so I pretend I'm flying away. I'm flying away. Well, to my surprise, I grew up too fast, and that easy life of Tinkerbell never did last. So I suddenly dreamed myself far, far away, so I could be immortalized like Peter one day. And that's my childhood as I've come, though in some ways it never did end. And I was standing well, a little bit taller, except when I'd say, Mom, let me go to neverland, let me fly for one day and throw that fairy dust in my hair, so I pretend I'm flying away. I'm flying away. And though life is never easy, as children read in the books, where fairy dust could just fly you so far away. And all I ask is that you leave me my imagination, so I could pretend I'm flying away. I'm flying away. And that is where I'll stay. I'd be dying for love, appreciation, when mermaids would sing and fairies would ring, right down there in neverland, with second to the right and straight on till morning. Yes, it was second to the right and straight on till morning.